Hi, my name is Sujit Dalvi. So, in this project, we are going to understand the relation of artificial intelligence with personality, comfort, age, and other demographic data. So, first of all, we will just perform normal cleaning procedure on our data, which will be like removing all the missing value rows, removing all the unnecessary columns, and we will also calculate the age using the year in the data. Then we will encode the data. This is very crucial step and important for us because most of the data is categorical, and we will have to convert these categories into numerical format so that it will help us to analyze them properly. After this, we will map the data. Every column is grouped to calculate their own values. These are Every column has a unique question which is related to something or the other. Then with this aggregated values, we will calculate the data summary. We will also plot an histograph, a box plot, and a correlation matrix. Using this aggregated value, relational, we performed correlation for every relation to understand their dependency on each other. We also perform t-square testing, f square testing on all the values. This helped us to understand the relation between those values clearly. Then we performed the linearity check, which helped us to understand the trend of the data. This also helped us to understand if the data is normally scattered or not. We can see clearly that the most of the lines in this graph are mostly horizontal and having very less trends to decide the flow of the data. Then we will develop a model. Here we have clearly mentioned the independent variables and the dependent variables. The dependent variables are for AI boss, and the independent variable is power distance, uncertainty avoidance, collectivism, long orientation, and masculinity. We performed by training different kind of models like linear regression, lasso, random forest, SVR, and many more models. After trying all the models, we decided to go with linear regression, as it was giving well fitted R2 square value. Then we also performed by developing a model using a moderating factor between our independent and dependent variable. This helps us to understand how the moderating factors are affecting our analysis. For example, if we say the usefulness of technology, how is it interfering in our relationship between AI boss and other independent variables? We calculated such study for comfort of the technology, personality of a person, and the age of the person. We saved this data into different Excel sheets so that it will help us to understand our relationship clearly. Thank you.